We would like to now demonstrate to you the preparation and application of some of our products used in the construction industry. Elastafalt ME is a highly elastic liquid waterproofing membrane fortified with UV-resistant polymers. The product is ideally suited for waterproofing of substructures, wet areas, and roofs of buildings. For surface preparation, the surface should be cleaned and free from dust, oil, and grease. Loose particles must be removed and damaged spots repaired first. If a waterproofing layer already exists on the surface, it should be removed or scraped off as well. Elastafalt ME is applied cold and can be applied by a soft longhead brush or broom, or it may be spread by a rubber squeegee. A priming coat is first applied on the surface using a brush as shown. The priming coat consists of a diluted version of Elastafalt ME with an equivalent amount of water. A first coat is then applied at the rate of 1 kilogram per square meter. After application of the first coat, a fiberglass fabric, woven or non-woven, is used to strengthen and reinforce the waterproofing membrane. This treatment is particularly recommended for corners, edges, and the weak parts of a roof. Elastafalt ME may also be applied without this reinforcement, provided the surface is strong enough. Additional layers must only be applied when the previous coat has dried. A second coat is then applied to complete the surface with the waterproofing treatment. Allow 2 to 4 days for complete drying of the coating treatment. Elastafalt ME has the advantage of waterproofing without joints, so there is no possibility of leakage, which is a common drawback among other waterproofing systems like torch-applied membranes. Finally, the surface may be coated with aluminum reflective coating as shown, or covered with slate flakes. The result is a perfectly protected surface with long-term durability. Lavatex 2000 is a rubber-modified, high-performance, ready-to-use liquid waterproofing membrane. Lavatex 2000 forms a seamless, highly elastic, durable film that adheres well to most common substrates like concrete, cement blocks, wood, etc. It is ideal for use in foundations, basements, and wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms. The surface preparation prior to application is similar to that of Elastafalt ME. Remove all dust, debris, oil, and grease from the surface. All cracks and openings on the surface should be properly repaired and sealed. Surface should be dampened with clean water prior to application of Lavatex 2000, or should preferably be primed with diluted version of Lavatex 2000 in the ratio of 1:1 with water. As part of preparations, special care should be taken on weak points, for example, cracks and around pipes, by using fiberglass reinforcement as shown here. Once the preparations are over, apply the first coat of Lavatex 2000 with a brush, roller, or squeegee at the rate of 1 kilogram per square meter and leave to dry for 4 to 6 hours. Apply the second coat at the same rate. The second coat should preferably be applied at a right angle direction from the first one. The final total film thickness, or DFT as it is commonly known, should be 1 to 1.5 millimeters. Allow the surface to dry for at least 24 hours. Flood test is recommended to be carried out after 48 hours of application. Besides the floor, Lavatex 2000 can also be applied on walls. Apply 2 coats at the rate of 500 grams per square meter per coat. Tiles may be fixed over surfaces coated with Lavatex 2000 with cement-based tile adhesives, also supplied by Falcon Chemicals. TileFix PD is a popular and commonly used adhesive to install tiles on the exterior and interior surface of a building. The product is easy to use and dependable for quality and effectiveness. The method for fixing and product preparation involves the following. Add required quantities of water in a pail as shown. Using a slow speed mixing drill, slowly add TileFix PD into the water under constant agitation. Mix thoroughly to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Allow the paste to rest for 2 to 3 minutes and then mix again. Using a notched trowel, apply the paste uniformly as shown. Apply on an area of 1 to 2 square meters at a time. The thickness of the adhesive will depend on the type of notch trowel used. For most tiles, the recommended notch trowel should be of a 5 to 6 millimeter size. Fix tiles starting from bottom up. Using plastic spacers, maintain a small but uniform gap between the tiles. Please note that tiles should not be pre-wet under any circumstance. TileFix PD is based on a technology that requires the tiles to be fixed dry. Tap the tile firmly in place with a slight twisting action to ensure that the tile is embedded into the adhesive mortar completely. Both the preparation and application of TileFix PD is simple and effective. We hope that you have enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions about our company or its products, please contact any of our sales representatives who will be happy to assist you.